there are two types of divorces in South Africa. You get a contested divorce and an uncontested divorce. The process is slightly different for both types of divorces. What you need to do first is to determine the type of marital regime that you have. For example, are you married in community of property or are you married out of community of property? The best way to determine that is via an anti-nuptial contract. Our next important tip is to always encourage clients to settle their divorce cases out of court. The reason why that's important is because if you and your ex-spouse are going to fight over everything, for example, who gets the tea sets and the dog and this and the clothes in the cupboard and the furniture, then it's going to get really expensive and emotionally draining for you. Number one, accept that the relationship is over. Number two, have an honest conversation with your partner. Take all the assets and the liabilities and write them down on a piece of paper. The next one is, if there are any children, then have a discussion about the children and make the suitable arrangements. Then and only then go and see your lawyer. Otherwise, you are in for a long and expensive process. This is called getting an uncontested divorce. Ask your lawyer about this. A contested divorce is where you fight over everything. In summary, it's always better to have an uncontested divorce versus a contested divorce. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.